Okay, you own this place? Look at this dessert. What? Now tell me, what have you made for me here, ma'am?
I have made fruit salad for you.
Mm-hmm.
I've made pâté, bonne, bonne, bousse, bonne, bole, boste, gale, boune,
No.
and parfait.
Are those fancy foods?
Yes.
Yeah. How did you
The
learn to make
desserts.
those?
Just on the recipe, it says oats mix of ponche, some baking soda, needles, pine cones,
Wow, it is fancy, huh?
and walks.
Okay. Thank you very much.
And want to know how I made the coffee?
Yeah.
The coffee was, I took this giant fridge, I put it in the fridge, took it out a little while ago, then poured the oats into it, then grind them all up, take tree chunks, put them in banana chunks, put them in, mash it all up, and then put leaves in it.
Wow, fancy.